In this example, we're going to be creating a shortcut for flip horizontal and flip vertical. These two. As you can see, there's no shortcut. So first we're going to be going to edit and click keyboard shortcuts or press Alt Shift Control K. So on this window, go to edit and find the flip vertical and flip horizontal. So just click on the text to add shortcut. So in flip horizontal, I'm gonna be adding a shortcut, Control Shift period. And you can make your own shortcut as long as it's still available, but to me, I'm gonna be using Shift Control period. Then just click accept. So in flip horizontal, I'm gonna be using Control Shift and comma, and then after entering the key, just click accept and press click OK. So if we test the shortcut, if I want to flip this image horizontally, I'll just press Control Shift and period. If I want to flip this vertically, Control Shift and comma. Now you can flip the image using the created shortcut. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.